Thursday, April 1st, 2021. Welcome to today's episode of H.A.W.K Headline News on the Cesar Chavez Broadcast Network. I am your host, Michaela. Our top stories. Time is running out on getting involved. We are looking for any current 6th or 7th grade students interested in building an incredible school. If you have any ideas on how to make CCMS even better, we need you to #GetInvolved. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Check your email or click on the link in the description below. One more day before spring break. Make sure you get all your work turned in so you can sit back and enjoy the week off. If you witness someone being hardworking, accountable, wise, kind, or spirited, we want to hear about it. Click on the link in the description below or find a link on our school website. Today is National 1 Cent Day. Anyone else wondering why we still have the penny? I think it costs more to make a penny than the penny itself is worth. Seems like it's time to move on. Our quote of the day comes from the Wolfgang Riebe, who said, "No one is perfect, that's why pencils have erasers." From the Comedy Corner, why did the daddy rabbit go to the barber? He had a lot of little hairs. Fun fact, human fingers have no muscles. We are able to move our fingers thanks to the combination of bones, tendons, and muscles, which are present in our palms and forearms. From the discussion desk, discuss 3 things you did right today. The Cesar Chavez family wants to wish a happy birthday to the following kiddos with birthdays today. So happy birthday, Zui, Adelina, and Dreon. Enjoy your special day. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow and every afternoon at 12:45 right here on YouTube for our daily announcements. And find a way to be a hawk today.